image one more time, so everybody on the same picture. So and then you can do Command E to make this one a basic background picture. Okay. So Command E to merge this one to just single background layer. Okay. So now let's try that. So hit L. I'm going to draw some shapes. Okay. Okay, and then Command J. So now I got one piece here. Right? Good. Okay, so now let's do Option left bracket. So that's what means one step back. Okay, so Option and the left bracket. So that means you continue highlight the background layer, and so you can keep doing that. So Command, just draw it, and the Command J, and Option left bracket. Keep drawing that. Command J, Option left bracket. So you always have the background layer selected, so you can draw different shapes with multiple options. So Command J and Option left bracket. So try to see actually look. You don't have to care about what selection area you did, but pay more attention on what happens on layers panel. Okay. So what's the concept is we continue to build those parts from the original picture, and the Command J, so we generate a new part from the background, and then Option left bracket is just make the things more like a pencil. So it's more like one group of operation. So draw that Command J, Option left bracket, and select the background again, and you can continue work to generate a lot of pieces. Okay, so big or small or tiny, so you can generate a lot of things from a simple picture, and this one will lead more possibilities. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn off you're turn off the background layer. You actually see a lot of things here. Okay. Yeah. So and then you can do is hit a V, and you can move things around. Okay. You can rotate. Hit a Command T. You can rotate. You can change size. Oh, okay. So it's all from the same picture. So for the background, if you turn on the background, you can actually, it's a pretty art cut, like a cutout, experience. So if you are an artist, you find the potential here. So that's the method for you to generate quite a lot of pieces. Think about that. You can combine with a new picture and two pictures, cut them in different way and change the order. So this will be quite interesting project. Okay, so let's try to get it from the Rauschenberg's one of his work. So you can combine this one in. So I will put it here. So Command V. So get this picture here. So what I'm going to do is just do the same thing, draw and in any of those abstract shapes. Command J and the Option left bracket back. And so I can always start with the same, just kind of like do more selection. Okay. Make this one a usable pattern. So Command J, Option left bracket. Okay, so and then we can have those pieces to using for our project. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so we can combine so many pieces. Okay, so to create some overlap or other ideas. Okay, so let's cut those pictures. You can also do is a simple color layer as we did earlier. So just to give this color, and the generator the color pieces over there. So okay, so get that color piece. Okay. Okay. So for example, we can put this one here and put it behind a certain layer. Okay. To move one layer up or down in this whole layers panel, the shortcut is Command and the left or right bracket. Okay, so Option left or right means select. Okay, but not move, not change the position. But the command, so if you highlight one layer, highlight the one layer here, so we hold the command left bracket means bring this one down one layer, or right bracket means this one up one layer. So it's kind of a move that. So those things is very hard to find in the menu. Okay, so because nobody will see it's useful. Okay, or actually quite useful. If you're professionals, that the things will save you tons of times. So you really practice that. So